both been feeling into what does it mean to be in the divine feminine? What does it mean to be in the divine masculine? And so we've both been exploring that personally within our own lives and seeing it showing up in different ceremonies amongst men and women. And so we wanted to offer an opportunity for ourselves included.
This feminine rising, or this sisterhood that's happening, needs to be taught. So we're seeking the pioneers, the leaders, the teachers, the women that are feeling something, but you don't really know what it is yet. And then it's a collaboration. It's the divine feminine coming together and creating this safe, sacred space to learn practices and rituals, first both for our healing and then to emanate out to others. That's why we're calling it a journey to wholeness. And with the release and then the worship, we want you to leave here feeling fully supported. You'll leave this retreat with tools. You're even going to probably get a little folder with all the tools in your toolbox. And the other invitation is to go out and teach. Share these practices with others. So it's going to be a whole wealth of knowledge and information. And we're all in this together.
Yeah. It's going to be a weekend of sisterhood and
reconnecting, remembering stuff.
Celebration of each other.
Yeah. And worshiping who we are first, so again we can go out there and share it outwardly into the world.